Now we are going to calculate the packing fraction or packing efficiency of face-centered cubic unit cell. Packing fraction or packing efficiency is equal to total volume occupied by sphere in FCC unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. Now we are going to calculate volume of the sphere. One side of face-centered cubic. This point is A, this is B, this is C. Here, in triangle ABC, we can calculate AC square. Here we calculate AC, the value of AC. Here AB is small a because this is edge length of cube. This is small a, BC is also a, that is also a edge length. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is equal to A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. This is AC square. Now we are going to calculate AC here now, that is equal to root 2A. 2 on square you will get root 2, A square on root you will get A. This is face-centered cubic unit cell. Here, this is face-centered atom. This is corner atom. This is another corner atom. So, in this, AC is nothing but is equal to, this distance is R. Here the radius is also R, but here whole atom, so 2R. So AC is equal to R plus 2R plus R. You will get the value 4R. This is AC. Already we calculated AC is equal to root 2A. So both are equal means you will get 4R is equal to root 2A. Then R can be calculated from this root 2 by 4 into A. Yes. From this radius we can calculate volume of the sphere. We apply the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. The sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute R value here, 4 by 3 pi r cube, root 2A by 4 whole cube. You simplify this value, is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into here root 2 by 4 into root 2 by 4 into root 2 by 4 into A cube. Here 4 will be cancelled. Here root 2 and 4, that is 2. Root into root 2 divided by 4 means you will get 2. So remaining will be the answer, that is equal to, here numerator is root 2 pi A cube. Denominator is 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Here total volume occupied by the sphere in FCC unit cell is equal to 4. This 4 is nothing but the total number of atoms present in FCC. So you want to multiply this value by the volume of the sphere, you will get total volume occupied by the sphere in FCC unit cell. So totally simplify this answer means you will get 6 times here. So you will get the final value root 2 by 6 pi A cube. This is total volume. Here volume of the unit cell equal to edge length A into A. Here A is edge length, that is equal to A cube is the answer. So in numerator total volume value is root 2 by 6 pi A cube. Denominator volume of the unit cell is A cube. You substitute both the value into 100 means you will get the final value. Root 2 by 6 pi A cube divided by A cube into 100. So you simplify this answer, A cube will be cancelled. So you will get the final value root 2 into pi into 100 divided by 6. You substitute the values. In root 2, 1.414 into pi value, that is 3.14 into 100 divided by 6. You simplify this value, you will get the final value is 74%. 74% occupy. This is the packing fraction or packing efficiency of per cent cubic unit cell.